Hey gang, Matthew Barbie here with Perfect Company. Going to show you this really cool feature in the Perfect Drink app. Now, hundreds and hundreds of recipes to choose from, but if you're going to have a party, that can be a little daunting. So let's say you want to design your own menu just for your party. So let's say I can airmail. You'll see that there's a little star button up here. I hit that. That allows me to select a favorite or to add it to my menu. You'll see the little add plus sign. So I hit my menu. So I just back up, go back out. Then if I go to my categories, you'll now see there's a My Menu category. Select this, and now my airmail is in my menu. So I've added a few other menu items here for my party. It's going to be a lot of fun, pretty gin focused. Oh, what's this vodka cocktail? So let's say I want to remove an item from my menu. I just get the star button again. Now you'll see it says minus my menu. I hit that. That goes away, not even in my menu anymore. Never want to look at it again. So now you'll see that drink has been removed from my menu. I'll take a little peruse, and I like all those cocktails. Now let's get started. So let's say I'll make a French 75 for a little pregame before this party. All right, so let's get going here. Time to start drinking before everybody else shows up. Hit the build screen. Now you'll notice in the build screen there's a My Menu button. So by pressing the My Menu button, you can quickly and easily switch between your cocktails in the build screen. Brings up all the recipes that are just in your menu. So maybe instead of a French 75, I want to make a Corpse Reviver. So there it is. Automatically changes cocktails right there. Now let's say you were going through this My Menu and you said, actually, I do want to make another Corpse Reviver. All you have to do is touch the screen anywhere and My Menu will disappear. Another way to navigate My Menu is by using the scale. So if you hit the Bluetooth button, that will also bring up My Menu. And then the timer button and the Bluetooth button will help you navigate through that feature. And once you found the cocktail you wanted, you can just hit the up button and it'll automatically take you to that recipe. Now let's say you were going through the menu and you decided you didn't want to change cocktails. Same as touching the screen, hit the down button. That hides your menu from view and you're back right there in the build screen. So now that we've covered all the great ways to use My Menu, let's get this party started. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please check us out at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect party.